Water waste management.
In the Philippines, 90% of the wastewater are untreated and 58% of the groundwater is contaminated, according to UNICEF and WHO last 2015. Since sludge treatment and disposal facilities are rare, domestic wastewater is discharged without treatment.
According to the United Nations Industrial Development Organization study, approximately 2,000 cubic meters of solvent wastes, 22,000 tons of heavy metals, infectious wastes, biological sludge, lubricants and intractable wastes, as well as 25 million cubic meters of acid or alkaline liquid wastes are improperly disposed of annually in Metro Manila alone.
Data from the EMP, about 4,200 people die each year due to contaminated drinking water. One factor affecting this is the improper sewage management of the country. This diagram represents the existing sanitation infrastructure for urban areas. As you can see, the clean water from the rivers gets mixed with that of the untreated sewage and stormwater. A water analysis was conducted and 78% of the water analysis tested positive for fecal coliform and 22% tested negative.
So what was the response for wastewater management here in PSH's Savisc? According to a resident engineer, 3 programs were implemented, namely the stormwater collecting pond, elevated rainwater catchment, and the wastewater tank. The stormwater collecting pond starts by collecting stormwater as it falls into the gutter. It then undergoes 3 layers of filtration. In this type of filtration, the water passes through sand and gravel in the process, and this is called a green filter. After filtration, the water finally stored in a big storage pond.
Elevated rainwater catchment also starts by collecting rainwater from the gutter and it goes through a separator pipe. The remaining water is stored in a tank.
The wastewater tank starts with the collection of water from the septic tank. It goes through a filtration process using thin aluminum membranes. After the filtration, the water is exposed to a UV lamp to kill the bacteria and the remaining water is stored in a stainless steel tank. The problem with these programs is that there's no post-treatment quality assessment right before the water reaches to the people for use. These filtration systems help us reuse the said wastewater after it gets filtered. By doing so, we reduce the amount of untreated wastewater that gets discharged into the environment. Ergo, this can help stop or at least lessen the problems brought by water pollution.